close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now, just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are, this unique expression of divine light and love, allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards: 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Allowing yourself to recognize that it is here for you as much as anyone else. You can imagine maybe being at the beach, looking at the ocean, being in the mountains, in a forest, in a garden, any place you choose. And just allow yourself to recognize that the universe is allowing you to experience this. Allowing yourself to recognize that the sun is shining and warming you. You're breathing in oxygen with each breath you take. allowing yourself to recognize how amazingly supported you are right now. And you can imagine other people there in this place, at the beach or in the garden with you, wherever it might be. And they're not getting any more oxygen than you are. They're not getting any more warmth from the sun. You are just as valuable to the universe as they are. You are just as supported as they are. And there are times in life where someone might step in front of us and block our view of something. It might be in the garden looking at a flower, and someone comes and stands in front of the flower. And recognize, okay, the flowers are still there. You're still breathing in oxygen. And you're still getting the warmth of the sun, and you're still absolutely supported. Even though some other person can temporarily block something, they can only block one thing. And there is still beauty and magnificence and abundance all around, and it is still here for you, and you are still supported. And you are not defined by this other person. Your value, your worthiness to the universe is not defined by their behavior. And allowing yourself to be absolutely compassionate with your past self for being confused about this. You were doing the best you could, given the programming that you got at that time by people who didn't know any better, people who were doing the best they could because of their programming. And allowing yourself to just let the misunderstandings and the confusion of the past melt away, so that you can again be right here, right now, in this beautiful place, surrounded by beauty and magnificence and abundance, knowing that it is here for you, no matter what happened in the past. Your experience of life is between you and the universe. The universe is saying, here it is, and it's up to you to say yes. You might, in this beautiful place, you might imagine seeing something a little ways away that you really want to get close to, you really want to experience. And there's all kinds of different ways to get there, different paths that you could take. And if one path were to get blocked in some way, there's always other paths. And allowing yourself to recognize you are awakening. Just allow yourself to know that. Allow yourself to feel good about that. No matter what other people might do, however they might behave, they don't get to limit your awakening. Sometimes their behavior that you're not a big fan of might be a path to your awakening. Just allow yourself to again be in this beautiful place. Allowing yourself to look at the awesomeness all around and remember that it is a reflection of your own awesomeness. Giving yourself permission to acknowledge your awesomeness in every fiber of your being as we go even deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. much more aware of your awesomeness. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to zero, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all of these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.